Matt, what's the plan here with this ZL1?
I did a cam in it last year-ish. I don't remember when, but I did a cam in it before. Now we're doing a porta blower, throttle body, fuel system, and meth injection.
How can Matt cooperate?
He usually does.
The sound of that camera coming on makes me want to punch on your fucking face.
I know. Fucking this guy.
Eric usually does too.
Dude, like every time on every video now, it's like, damn, Matt and Eric really switched roles. Why? What now? Oh, because it was fucking. I guess Matt used to be like the mad one, and Eric's like, I'm not angry Eric anymore. I guess it's just switched back. So I guess you could say it's switched back, not necessarily that it's switched.
I'm fine with that.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah, like every video. It's pretty funny. Is this thing manual?
Yep.
I strove 5 minutes ago and I couldn't tell you.
It happens.
Cappuccinos.
Fucking delicious. Ladies and gentlemen.
Matt got the fitting tapped in. He's got his aux pump mounted with his custom little bracket. That bracket's fucking badass. So Matt custom made a little bracket, painted it. The fuel regulator there. What is that you're holding?
That's an amplifier, I guess. The pick'em's under here.
I guess you have to cut that little lip off that to make room for the meth tank.
Yeah.
Matt, what are you working on wiring up there?
Pinning the computer for flex fuel.
Oh, okay. I'm assuming did you wrap up the meth tank and all that stuff?
No.
Already?
The tank's right here. I didn't get it till late yesterday.
Oh, okay.
I can't hear you over Kyle's Air Tools. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I was talking to myself, actually. I'm saying you finished up the fuel system, and I don't remember if I showed it or not. Nail it first try?
Yep.
Nice.
Listen tight.
Perfect. Catch can install. Looks like it's coming along nicely.
The sound of that camera coming on makes me want to punch on your fucking face.
I thought you were going to say the sound of his voice.
Right, this is a 2018 ZL1 that we've actually done. I think this is the 3rd time now. First, we just did bolt-ons and a tune. Then he brought it back because his oil pump failed. And we did a new oil pump and a cam while we were at it. Then I think like he raced one of his buddies, and I don't remember what kind of car he has. I think another car that we did. I think he's got an SS Camaro that we did like a cam and a blower on or something, and he lost. So we brought it back, and now we did our low side fuel system, Kong export, a meth kit, and a catch cam. So with those 3 things, it should pick up pretty good. I don't remember what it made last time. I have to look. But now we'll do flex fuel and et cetera, et cetera. So we'll see what we got. I don't know where the fuck Garrett's at. I'm gonna text his ass and get his ass out here. But we'll be back whenever the hell he comes out. Okay, well, we had a bad bypass valve, which is very odd and rare, but we didn't baseline this thing because we've done it. We literally just did it like a couple months ago. But we pulled one off another car here that Matt had sitting on his bench, put it on, and our boost came back. So got a different one on here. It's weird because we've never seen that before, and they're basically a mechanical thing. Like it wasn't closing all the way to give it enough boost once I once it got out of vacuum. And we literally put another one on and made a pull, and it made boost. So yeah, we got nothing else fucking in line for the dyno, so we're gonna throw Matt's truck on. 17 pounds there, but it was fucking rich. So yeah, 10 more pounds is fucking by another 250 horsepower. What's the meth set at? You turn both up 5. $831. Yo, can you turn both of them up more? So put them to like 50 and then like maybe 60 something. It's coming on too soon. All we did was change the meth. I didn't change anything in here. I think it was coming on too soon because it went real fat, and then so I'm trying to spread that out a little bit. That was better. I can work with that. This thing's gonna make some power. 830 on pump so far. My guess is it'll pick up another 20 to 30. I think I made 900 on E. I mean, it's stick, so it helps, but. $832, 769. Can you turn the start meth down just a tad? $834. $836, 783 torque. Man, that's pretty stout on fucking pump gas. Well, pump and meth, I should say. Probably not gonna put E in this today because it's 4:30, and I'd like to do a cold pull on it. We close at 5, for those that don't know. So tomorrow morning we'll probably start E right off the bat. I'd like to let it cool down for longer than like 20 minutes. So we'll probably just cold pull first thing in the morning, then add E, and then I'm gonna say that's it. See you in the morning. All right, next day. This was gonna be a cold pull, but Garrett accidentally dumped like 2 gallons of E in it by accident before I saw him. So it's like 25% E and a cold pull. So we'll see what that does. Exactly the same. Well, it was actually good because I didn't set up the timing for the flex fuel yet. So it didn't add any timing. Garrett said he got cum in his eye or something. He had to go wash it out. I'll get him to dump more E in when he comes back, and then we'll go there. But it made the same power with a little bit of E because I didn't have timing set up yet, so it didn't add any timing. So, which is fine because that's about what it made yesterday hot, which is pretty good. I mean, that just basically shows you that we're not crazy over spinning these blowers. I mean, it made 17 pounds. So when these start making 20 pounds on these things is when they start getting up there. I mean, like, yeah, you can make more power, but for the average package, you know, 837 wheel on pump gas is pretty good. But whatever, we'll wait till he gets back, dump some E in this thing, and see what we'll make. Hopefully like 875 maybe would be sick. We'll see. All right, we got 40% E in it. Let's see what we got. $842. But it's also because it's hot as fuck because I was just cycling the E around. Can you get another 5 gallons ready? All right, we'll be right back. I'm gonna let it cool down while he gets that, and then we'll go from there. All right, dump more in it. We're at 57%. It may go down a little bit though, but let's see what we got. $847. And remember that it's also hot as fuck too. Like the way I have to cycle these things through to get the E all through, I literally like load the dyno and I just like hold a steady throttle and it just puts a fuck ton of load on it. But in return, it uses the fuel like in the rail and all that shit to get fresh E up there, and then I have to watch and see when it's reading and when They're both matching, so I know it's getting like all of the actual E in there so it doesn't change the tune. These things are like hot after I cycle the E. That's why I always like let them cool down for a little bit and then kind of go from there. So, which I'm going to do right now actually, and then I'll come back. I let it cool down for like 20 some minutes. It's actually fairly cold. I was going to make a pull and then let it cool down over lunch and make another one, but I actually might not need to. I mean, coolant temp's 147, so it got pretty cold. AIT2s are 84, so. $864. I'm gonna make one more. $861. I'd say that's pretty stout for 55% E, like almost 18 pounds. This thing should be fun. It's gonna make significantly more than it did when he dropped it off, and he should be able to beat his buddy now because I don't remember what his buddy's car, I mean, we built it, I believe. I don't remember what it made, but I know it didn't make nearly this much, so he should enjoy this thing. Later.